Nakalimutan ko yakin eh. Put up.
Okay, nakalimutan ko.
Use your resist spots.
Chelsea Pats.
Yeah. If you have.
Nag-o-OC, okay?
Yeah.
Tatak mo ito.
T7 lang pala to. T7 kamad lang ah.
Tier 8 sila pre.
T7 si Mad. Ay, T7 si Mad lang pre.
Ayan.
Wait lang. Chill. Don't go too far. May perma. Perma shaper. Get ready your merc shoes. Okay? Chill lang. Chill konti. Let them engage.
Yun,
Inch up. Don't clamp ah. We can go to on the perma. Walang cleanse yung perma.
okay, magkukumpul-kumpulan guys ah.
We might go on the skull mark, okay? Chillax lang.
Nakite tayo pre.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay? Ready on this hammer. In 3, 2, 1, on this hammer. Okay, go back. Go back southwest. Go back southwest.
Uy.
Thank you. Go back southwest guys, southwest. Full back southwest. Can go on the choke. We're gonna die on that choke.
Talk to me. RJ, mana.
Guide them. Go southwest. Move southwest. Walk southwest. Everyone. Mad. Okay, come back. Dito lang natin. Idea. Inch up konti. Might engage on you if you're on the pole hammer.
Kayo masyado.
Yeah.
Uy, huwag dikit.
Pag nagdidikit-dikit kayo.
Make a triangle. Paila ko isa. Thank you. Inch up lang. Yung nasa northwest, masyado kayong kumpul. Pangit naman ito. Ayaw nila mag-engage.
They're trying na mag-start muna tayo.
Pull southwest. Pull.
Dito para mas
Magta-turn tayo ah. Magta-turn tayo dyan sa soka. Sa choke. South. Ryan Moria. Sa choke, south. Go south. Kite lang. Huwag mo na kayo mag-macro. Later. We're not brawling. Kailang. Continue moving.
Engage mo.
I'm trying to find a natural clamp on them. So, just continue moving, everyone.
May red sa likod ah.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, they miss. Come. Walk. Okay, GA mo. Okay, on this skull mark. In 3, 2, 1, skull mark.
Oh
Uy,
shit.
Nice.
Good shit.
Nice one.
Yeah, just brawl over them. Ayun, dyan na kayo mag-brawl. Dyan yun na yung macro. Thank you.
Guys, yung nasa likod baka marat pa tayo niyan.
Patay
Yan na. Pwede nyo na yan nilut. Kaya na namin to.
Galing nyo, I love
Hold
you.
na lang. Okay, thank
Ang
you.
ina nyo.
Good shit.
Patay niya.
Patay nyo yan? Salute na ba na
Ingat
dito
lang.
sa likod?
Kailangan namin
Lalo,
healer
lalo.
dito. Thank you.
Nataplanan ni Chitin.
Pwede kayo mag-engage.
Galing ng
Galing nun,
shaper. I love you, Lash. Uy,
Bilang.
ano pa
Kung may
na?
namamatay, ingat ah. Stunning.
Ito,
Pre.
hot water, oh.
Okay.
Hot water.
Loot.
Nakarat
May
collar
nahabol
to
pa.
ah.
May nahabol pa kayo?
Hot collar,
Meron
T8.
dito. Ping ako ah.
Mount up. Okay, we're gonna help them.
Sorry ah, habulin lang, mount up ako.
Loot nyo yun nasa baba kung
Nice.
Ay, gago ka ah.
okay na. Okay, good
Naglakad
shit.
bobo din ang gago.